mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how your dad has gotten fat. Well, I picked up. Don't pick up.
You bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen la, your bloody phone is telephone fucking ring. Bloody hell, pick your fucking phone up, you bastard motherfucking cunt. Your bloody telephone, a bloody fucking ring, bastard. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. I'm fucking telling you, fucking sick and tired of this bloody fucking phone. I'm telling you, motherfucker, you pick your fucking phone up, you bloody bastard.
This is the cell phone detection system. It's your dad calling. And man, is he pissed. See if you can talk your way out of this one. Your daddy's calling you.
Bro, I just wanted to put this one in, guys, because it's really, I like it.
It's your best friend, hitting you up. Pick up your cell phone, put down the cup. It's your best friend, it's time to get crunk. Pick up your celly, don't act like a punk. It's your best friend, hitting you up. Pick up your cell phone, put down the cup. It's your best friend, it's time to get crunk. Pick up your celly, don't act like a punk.
This one is a sweet one. I like it. Wanna pick up and life that's going on. Look at what it says on it, but versus reality.
Here, penis. I don't think I like you anymore. You used to watch me shave. Now all you do is stare at the floor. Oh, dear penis, I don't like you anymore.
No. Don't tug on that. You never know what it might be attached to.
Excellent!
That ending though.
Your sister is calling. Your sister is calling. Your sister is calling. Are you gonna pick up the phone? Pick it up. It's your sister.
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
Asshole calling! Asshole calling! There's an asshole on the other end of the line. Answer it quick so you can talk to the big asshole.
Mom! Mommy! 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 Mama! 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 Ma! 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 Ma!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my
my gosh, it's my best friend calling me again. I wonder if something's wrong. This is only the 12th time. My best friend's called me all day. Yeah, best friends are cool because they know when you're sleeping, they know when you're awake, they know when you're leaving the house, they know when you're happy, when you're sad.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Ready? Ready? Stop. Ready? No, I can't do that.
Your brother is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. Your brother is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
This would be good for my dad to use. Well, maybe.
Your son is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
That's a
Your
nice
son.
Mama. No.
Your mother is calling. Stop what you're doing, calm down, and answer the phone.
The Terminator.
Your wife is attempting to reach you on your cellular.
Okay, another one of them ones. Oh yeah guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching. That's just funny zeadge ringtones. They did not sponsor me. No, I'm a small YouTuber, don't touch me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.